Hello everyone, my name is Christina and I'm a jewelry specialist here at aviandco. And today I want to invite you to unpack a very special watch with me. It's a Patek Philippe Grand Complications. Let's go. Patek Philippe boxes are masterpieces themselves. They're crafted from real wood and real leather. You can see the logo here and the beautiful finishes of the wood and lacquered and polished. And inside, oh wow, and inside it's suede leather, and we have this beautiful watch. One of the most interesting features of this watch is Perpetual Calendar complication, which tracks date, day, month, and adjusting automatically for leap years. At first glance, you can see that this watch is created of 18-karat rose gold. It has a black face with intricate sub-dials. The watch comes on alligator leather strap and this intricate detail on the buckle, which showcases the Patek Philippe logo. So now I'm gonna take it off the pillow and put it on my wrist to see how it feels. The watch feels very light on the wrist, even though it has so many complications. I expected it to be much heavier, but it looks beautiful. Probably on the bigger wrist it will look better, but I do like it how it looks on my feminine wrist. The watch was first introduced in 2011 and was offered to Patek Philippe's VIP clientele. Currently we heard the news that Patek Philippe decided to stop manufacturing these watches as of 2025, so this makes it an incredible investment. Patek Philippe was the first watch manufacturer to include multiple complications in its watches back when the pocket watches were popular. So we can think of this particular watch as a grandchild of those watches that came before it. If you're interested in buying this watch or any other watch, please be sure to stop by at one of our 3 locations, New York, Miami, or Aspen. We have a lot to choose from. And be sure to remember, aviandco is the only way to go.